Hi, are you aware what is the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy? A big question. Today, you are going to learn this basic difference. I'm sticking to the basics in the initial videos. You are going to learn what exactly is the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. Yesterday in my video, I described the definition of accountancy and explained it thoroughly. Today, we are going to learn the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. It's a myth. Both of these words, bookkeeping and accountancy, are used interchangeably, but there is a huge difference. I, Deepak Nagpal, am going to describe this difference to all of you. You remember yesterday's video where I split the definition of accountancy into two parts. First part was where accountancy has been told as an art, and the second part was where it was told as a language. It's a language, that is why there was an interpretation to another language, so that common person or a businessman or government agency or any other user of the accounts can understand what is there as a result from the business transactions. So our today's aim is bookkeeping and accountancy. The first portion where there was an art of recording, art of classifying, art of summarizing. Up to this portion, all jobs done by someone is called the bookkeeping jobs. Because here till this date, this point of time, we are not interpreting any results. So this portion, the art of accountancy, is known as bookkeeping. And thereafter starts the second portion, the second leg. Second leg says that you have to interpret results of business transactions during a period in the form of financial statements, in the form of balance sheet, in the form of profit and loss account, in the form of trading account, in the form of cash flow statements. For whom? For the business owners who can understand what is the resultant of their business. This portion includes the accountancy portion. Therefore, both of things, means art and language, both portion is the accountancy, and bookkeeping is a subset. Accountancy is a bigger sphere, the whole sphere, and within that there is a small sphere of bookkeeping. Accountancy starts with bookkeeping and concludes at interpretation of results in the form of financial statements. These two complete jobs is called accountancy, and the only first portion where you have to record, classify, and summarize only, that portion is called bookkeeping. Now, a person who is doing the job of an accountant in small and medium enterprise where there is not complete accounting setup, he has to perform the role of complete accountant. Yani ki he has to perform the role of accountancy. But when you are working in large organization having the accounting department, there is a hierarchy, right from starting from cash book writer, journal writer, A person who is writing the books is doing the job of bookkeeping. And the person who concludes and finalize the results and interpret the results in the form of balance sheet, he is completing the complete cycle of accountancy. I hope this information is quite valid for you. I'm trying to build up the base for accountants. And if you are feeling value in this information, you are invited to join my Facebook group, a private VIP group in the name of Accountants Hub. Join it with details in the comment box and see a lot of value and information of this style and type. Thank you so much for being a part and giving your attention to my knowledge sharing. Thank you so much.